You know, one of the major challenges for fall and winter gardeners is the mud and the muck that can develop in your pathways throughout your garden. We have a glorious rain event come in. Next thing you know, we're out there trying to harvest a plant and we're tracking mud everywhere, sticking to the bottom of our shoes. So I've got a solution I want to share with you. What you can see, obviously, I've done my work here with the wood chips. Wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow load, I spread the wood chips throughout the garden, throughout the pathways, which has given me a nice, dry, mud-free trail to walk on, which makes gardening so much more enjoyable. With that being said, I do know the challenges of either not having wood chips on hand or being able to obtain them and having to deal with the situation. Now, everywhere that I have wood chips in my garden, it started just like this, with cardboard. So whether or not I have wood chips available, I'll lay the cardboard down, which stops me from tracking mud around, and it does a wonderful job, really. And the best part is, it's a free resource, easily obtainable, and eventually it just breaks down and adds to your soil profile. It brings the worms in, they'll congregate under the cardboard, they eat it, and it also provides nice habitat for mycelium. So whether you're spreading some spawn throughout your garden to run through your wood chips, or you just want to provide habitat for the natural mushrooms that may pop up in your garden, hoping to create a humus-like soil, the benefits are numerous. Anyways, it's a good first step, and then later on, if you get your hands on some wood chips or some other mulching material, you just cover it on up and it's going to look great. So anyway, my friends, I highly recommend that you hold on to those cardboard boxes, and if you're able to get some from one of the big box stores or the warehouse stores around you and you could use it, pick some of it up, use it in your garden. It's an amazing resource, like I said. Now, I can't just end this video right there, it's too short, so I want to share with you guys something else here. This is credit to a viewer. Sorry, I don't recall your name, but you wrote in regarding the pineapple guava, the feijoa fruit, and you shared with me yet another amazing way to enjoy the fruit. I'm going to share that with everybody here now. So all you do for this technique is put it between your hands and you roll it. Don't press too hard or you'll break the fruit, like I did the first one I tried to show you with. And you'll notice it becomes really soft. You see that juice just squirting out? It becomes like jelly on the inside. Then you can just bite off the tip. Now you can suck out the soft fruit inside. So good. So the skin is edible, full of nutrients, but more of an acquired taste for some. I like the whole thing. But if you do have an abundance of the fruits growing, and this is an abundant grower here, then you have the luxury to eat them in different ways, like what I just shared with you. So anyway, back to the cardboard. Just wanted to add, not only is this beneficial for pathways, but obviously if you're establishing a garden, laying down a sheet mulch like this is going to kill back the weeds in the grass and get the ground prepared for your garden bed come spring. And if you do end up getting a whole lot of rain, what you can do is take a garden fork and just poke a few holes through the cardboard to allow for added drainage. Anyway, my friends, that's it for now. Just a short one. I've got some gardening tasks I need to hop on. I'll be doing some more filming and sharing with you some new things coming very soon on the channel. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day and a wonderful weekend. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.